students, welcome to my channel Learn, Grow and Rise. Practice makes a man perfect. Today we will practice 10 years ICSE Board Chemistry question paper. Please pause the video and try to solve the questions and watch the solution later. I will give you nice trick to solve the questions and also I will clear your concept what is present in the question. So please watch my video till the end. Let's start. This is the question asked in 2006 ICSE board exam. The question is, the element of one such period of the periodic table are given below in order from left to right. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Now, this is the data given by the examiner. So, in this data, that is some elements names are given which is present in the periodic table and the order is given from the left to right and the order is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, oxygen, fluorine, neon. To which period do this element belong? Which is the missing element of this period? Where would be it placed? This which one of the element belong to the halogen series? So, first let's check the lithium and we know the atomic number of the lithium is 3 and the electronic configuration is 2, 1. So, from this it is clear that it belongs to the second period because it consists of 2 cells. Hence, it belongs to the second period. So, which period it belongs? It belongs to the second period. Which is the missing element of this period? Now, let us see the atomic number. Atomic number of lithium is 3, beryllium is 4, boron is 5, carbon 6, oxygen 8, then fluorine is your 9, neon 10. So, 5, 6, then oxygen 8, then fluorine 9 and neon is 10. So, which number is missing here, children? The number 7 is missing. So, whose atomic number is 7? The atomic number 7, nitrogen has the atomic number 7. So, where should it place? It should place after the boron, after the carbon because boron 5, carbon 6 and nitrogen 7. So, it must be placed after carbon. Which one of the element belong to the halogen series? Fluorine belongs to the halogen series. So, children, now let us write all the answer. Answer of the question A is your to which period? The period is your second period. To which period it belongs? Then question number bit B. Which is the missing element of the period? Where should it be placed? So, here children, two things you need to write. Which is the missing element? Nitrogen is the missing element. Please try to write the full name because here you need to which is the missing element of the period. So, please try to write the name of the element, that is nitrogen. Where should it placed? It placed after carbon. Which one of the element belongs to the halogen series? So, C is your fluorine. Fluorine is belong to the halogen series. So, this is the way you can solve this question. Now, let's go for the next question. That is question from 2015 ICSE board. Arrange the following as per the instruction given in the bracket. First bit is cesium, sodium, lithium, potassium, rubidium. That is increasing order of the metallic character. Magnesium, chlorine, sodium, sulfur, silicon, increasing order of the atomic size. Chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine, increasing order of the electron affinity. So, let's start. First, when you will get this type of question, the trick is, first children, you see that whether the elements are given in this from a particular group or it is given from a particular period. So if you see, this is the element in the first bit that belongs to a particular group. So for which group? Of course, it is the group 1. So how? Let's arrange the element in its order. Lithium, sodium, then potassium, then cesium, then rubidium. This is the order from group from the down. If you move from the top to bottom of a group, so this is the order. Increasing order of the metallic character. So increasing means what? We'll write the lowest one first. So the metallic character, when we move from top to bottom of a group, we'll get the metallic character increases. Hence, what is the increasing order, children? The increasing order is your lithium. Then you may put the symbol or you may write comma, because it is already mentioned in the question increasing order. Whatever the answer you will write, that must be in the increasing order. So if you write by putting the comma also, it is acceptable. So you write lithium, then your sodium, then potassium, then cesium, then rubidium. Is it clear, children? Now, let's discuss the bit 2. The bit 2 question is that I have told you, you will first check that whether the question is from a particular period, or whether the question belongs to a particular group. Magnesium, chlorine, sodium, sulfur, silicon. Definitely, this is from a particular period. If it is in a period, let us write in the order. Okay. So atomic number sodium is 11, magnesium 12, then 13 aluminium, that is not there, then silicon is 14, so then it is silicon 14, 15 is phosphorus not there, then sulfur, then chlorine. Now, increasing order of the atomic size. We know when we move in a period from left to right, then atomic size decreases. So we need to write the lowest one first. So chlorine less than sulfur, less than silicon, less than magnesium, less than sodium. This is the correct order of the increasing order of the atomic size. Is it clear, children? So the first trick is that when you will get this type of question, please try to write it is whether it is from a group or from a particular period. Now the third bit is chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine. So we will write it is from a particular group. So fluorine, then you will write chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. I have written the group from top to bottom or from moving down a group, down the group. This is the down the group. So increasing order of the electron affinity. We know when we move from top to bottom, what will happen? The electron affinity character decreases. So the element present at the top of the group possesses the highest electron affinity than the element present in the bottom of the group. But here one exception is there, that is the fluorine. By the rule, fluorine must have possessed the highest electron affinity, but due to very small size, the electron affinity of fluorine is less than that of the chlorine. So chlorine possesses the highest electron affinity. So let us write increasing order. So lowest most. So first is chlorine, your iodine, then your bromine, iodine, bromine, then chlorine, then your fluorine, then chlorine. Is it clear, children? So this is the answer of your bit 3. Now let us discuss another question. The question is from 2010 ICSE. An element has an atomic number 60. State the period to which it belongs. the number of valency electrons, whether it is metal or non-metal. And last bit is the state the formula between element and hydrogen. So atomic number 16. Okay. Let us write the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is 2, 8 and 6. Which period it is belongs? How many cells, how many splits are there? 3. So the bit A, it belongs to the third period. Now the number of valence electrons you can see easily from the electronic configuration, that is the 6 is the number of valence electron, whether it is a metal or a non-metal. So when it is the outermost electron is 6, of course it is a non-metal. If I am just telling you, if 1 or 2 electrons are present at the outermost cell, or 3 electrons in valence cell, then it is metal. And if it is more than that, it is non-metal. So outermost electron is 6, so it belongs to what? It belongs to a non-metal. Is it clear? Now state the formula between the element and hydrogen. Okay, so state the formula between the element and the hydrogen. See children, here the name of the element is not given, but we know the atomic number 16, but we know when the atomic number is 16, so definitely the element is your oxygen. So what is the formula between the hydrogen and the element? It is clear that the valency of the element is 2. So the formula is your H2O. Is it clear? Now let us discuss another question that is from the 2016. Use the letter only written in the periodic table given below and answer the questions that follow. This is the keyword. Use the letter. This is the instruction, children. You cannot write any other thing. What is written in the question is that you need to write the letter what is given in the question. So this is the period and the groups are given, and here's few alphabets are written. State the number of valence electron in atom J. Where the J present? J present in the 5th group. Okay. So what is the number of electron present? That is 5, because it belongs to the 5th group. And this is the number written previously, but now the group 5th is changed to the group 15. So as the 5th it is present or belong to the group V or group 5th, so number of electron is 5. Which element shown from the ions with a single negative charge? So it is a 0 group element, valence is 0. Negative charge means definitely it is a non-metal, because non-metals are electronegative in nature. So what is the answer? The answer is M. B2 is M. Which metallic element is more reactive than R? You will come to the where R is present, Q, R, T. Okay. So which metallic element is more reactive than R? Okay. So if we'll see, this is the elements are present, Q, R, T. All elements are metallic in nature. So when we move down the group, the metallic character increases, and the metals which are present below, the reactivity also decreases. Okay. So you can write Q is the more reactive than that of your R. Okay. So this is your answer is Q. Which element has its electron arranged in 4 cells? Now just see 4 cells means it belongs to the 4th period. Which element? The answer is T. IV. The answer is T. So this is the way you can answer this question. Now let us discuss the question number 5, that is taken from the question I have taken from 2013 ICSE. The question is that in the table H does not represent hydrogen. Some elements are given in their symbol and position in the periodic table, while other are shown answer with a letter. Okay, you can see magnesium given in its original name, silicon, okay, and other elements replaced by the simple alphabets. With reference to the table, answer the following question. Identify the most electronegative element, that is group 17, and the first element is the most electronegative element, and that is your J. So bit A, answer is your J. Identify the most reactive element of group 1. Group 1 is your, so lithium is the most reactive element, so B is your lithium. Identify the element from the period 3 with least atomic size. So this is the second period, means this is the third period, this is the third period, and this is the fourth period. So least atomic size is your M. Answer is F. How many valence electrons are present in Q? Where Q is present? Q is present in the fourth period and group 15. It is group 15 means how many valence electrons? Valence electron is your 5. See children, be careful whether it is written valence electron or valency. Question number 6, 2019, that is the study the extract of periodic table given below and answer the question that follow. Give the alphabet corresponding to the element in the question. Do not repeat an element. Who is element from electrovalent compound with G? So we know that group 1 from the electrovalent compound with group 17. So write down the answer is your A. The ion of which element will migrate towards the cathode during the electrolysis? What is cathode? Cathode is a negative electron. So definitely the positive will migrate towards the negative electrode. So cathode is the negative electrode. Okay. So what is the question? The ion of which element will migrate towards the cathode during the electrolysis? Okay. So A and B. And C children, it is written that do not repeat an element. So we will not write the A. So what we will write? We will write the B. Which non-metallic elements has valency of 2? It is non-metallic. So non-metallic means it belongs to the which group? Definitely it belongs to the group 16. It is 1 to 13. This is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 13, this is 14, 15, 16. So this is the 16. Then this is 17, 18. So which element? This is E. Bit 3 is your E, because it is 18, it is 17, so it is 16, so it is E. Which is an inert gas? 18. So F is the inert gas. IV. F is the inert gas. Now next question, that is question number 7, and this question I have taken from 2020 ICSE exam. The following table represents the element and atomic number. With reference to this, answer the following question. Only the alphabet given in the table. P, Q, R. Atomic number 13, 7, 10. Which element combines with hydrogen to form a basic gas? Okay. So atomic number 13. So if it is 13, so means 13 means we know it is aluminium, 7 means it is nitrogen, and 10 means it is neon. But children, while writing the answer, please do not write aluminium, nitrogen and neon, because it is instructed that use only alphabet to give the answer. Which element combine hydrogen to form the basic gas? So it is nitrogen only. So what should be your answer? Your answer is the alphabet Q. Which element has an electron affinity 0? Electron affinity 0 means it is neon, means R. Name the element which form the ionic compound with the chlorine. It is aluminium. So the answer is your P. Now the next question. Question is that match the atomic number 2, 4, 8, 15 and 19 with each of the following. A solid non-metal belong to the third period. So this is the atomic number. Now let us write the atomic number 2, the configuration is 2. 4, the configuration is 2, 2. Atomic number 8, the configuration is 2, 6. Atomic number 15, the configuration is 2, 8, 7. And atomic number 19, the configuration is your 2, 8, 8, 1. Is it clear? So please don't put comma while writing the electronic configuration. Is it clear, children? So a solid non-metal belong to the third period. So non-metal, it is 7. So 3 non-metals are there, 8, 15 and 19. So that is consist of the third period, means which has only 3 cell, 1, 2, 3. So answer is your I is, you will write the answer I is 15. So a solid that form the non-metal, that is 15. Bit 2. A metal of valency 1. Okay. The metal of valency 1, that is 19. 19 is the valency 1 because you can see only 1 is here. A gaseous element with valency 2. Valency 2 is this 8. An element belonging to the group 2. Group 2. Which element is belonging to the group 2? This is your 4. A rare gas. A rare gas is, means, just see which one is a rare gas, that is helium. So B is your 2. Okay, this is the way you can solve this question. Now question number 9, it belongs to this question from the 2013. The question is that using the information above, this is the metallic element. The metallic element is that you is given that dissolve in water and turns the blue litmus red. Okay, you can see clearly from here that is the electronic configuration 287 and 282. So definitely Y is the metallic element. Metals atom tend have maximum number of dash electron in the outermost energy level, that is 2. Non-metallic element tends to form dash oxide with, while metals form the dash oxide. Non-metal generally form the acidic oxide while metal form the basic oxide. Non-metallic elements tend to dash conductor of heat and electricity. They are generally bad conductor of your heat and electricity. This is the bad conductor of the heat and electricity. Then 5 is metal tends to dash electron and act as dash agent. Metal tends to, because 2 is there, so it can easily give the 2 electron, so it can easily give to, metal tends to lose electron and they act as a reducing agent. Okay. Now the last question. An element Z has atomic number 16. Answer the following question on Z. State the period and group to which Z belongs. Is Z is a metal or non-metal? State the formula between Z and hydrogen. What kind of compound is this? Children, we have solved already this type of one question. So that's why I have taken this question and I have repeated the number 9 because this is the same question we have already discussed. Okay, so children, let us write the atomic number is 16. So configuration is your 2, 8, 6. State the which period the group Z belongs. 3, because 3 split is or 3 cells are there. Z is a metal or non-metal? Of course, Z is a non-metal. State the formula between Z and hydrogen.
Because you cannot write sulfur.
Okay, so what you will write? You will write the formula is H2Z, but you cannot write
S2S.
what kind of compound is this? It is a covalent compound. So you will write it is a covalent compound. Now the question is that alkali metals are reducing agent. What is a reducing agent? Reducing agent means the element oxidizes itself but reduce others. Okay, so oxidizes itself but reduce other. So why alkali metals are good reducing agent? Due to its large atomic size and low ionization potential, it can easily lose its electron. Okay, so other can easily gain that electron. So what is the answer? The answer is that only you need to, what is the keyword? The keyword is that due to large atomic size and low ionization potential. Hope children, all of you understand the concept very well. Please try to practice it again and again and read the question thoroughly. This is the first and best trick to do or solve the question without doing any mistake. Underline the things asked in the questions. Then solve the question first in by doing neat rough work. Hope all of you enjoy this video. Thank you for watching the video and I hope all of you enjoyed it very much. Please do not forget to like, comment and share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.